Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is moving above $20,000 and we have already seen that it has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Even though we had a big drop, but we should keep this point in our mind that we have already broken out this resistance of the wedge and this was a price correction. And we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here I have been showing you this very long-term down channel. I have been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out the resistance of this channel, then we can expect that it can start a long-term move to the upside once again. However, there will be again another key resistance at $28,600, and after breaking out this channel, it can be another trouble for the price line once it will be reached there. And you can see previously this level has been breaking as a support here. It's $28,600 as a support here, support here, support here, support here, almost here as well. And here for several weeks it worked as a support, and now it can flip into a resistance for the price line. And you can see that we got several rejections by this resistance of the down channel. When it moved up, we got rejected. Here we had a fake out for a few weeks, but we again re-entered the channel. We got another rejection, another rejection, and this is the most recent rejection that we had here. And by the way, here we can see that we have also found this uptrend line support as well. We had a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, and right now the price line is again touching this support. Let me show you on the daily time frame chart. Exactly at this support, you can see that the price line has started moving sideways. And at the same time, on the daily time frame chart, we have already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And after this breakout, we had a nice pump, but we again moved down. And at the same time, we also have this uptrend line support as well. And for example, if Bitcoin, let me place this support, by the way, on this same daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible for us. We can see that we have this uptrend line support and the price line is getting accumulated at this support. And now if we will have another bounce from here, then there will be a very high probability that we may hit this target for this down channel after this breakout. That is still due. That is the top of the channel. That will be top of the wedge, by the way, approximately at $24,400. And in that situation, let me show you this wedge, this falling down channel resistance that will be approximately at $22,100. In that situation, we can also break out. If we will hit the target of this falling wedge, we can also break out this Bitget down channel as well. And let me show you the target for this Bitget down channel. After breaking out this channel and this key resistance, our target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $66,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.